Hello learners, welcome to Excel with Habeeba. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's class, that is Perspectives of Teacher Education paper. Under that first unit, that is Teacher Education, with the subtopic Importance of IT Literacy for Teachers and Teacher Educators. Today, developing technical skills is crucial and a person needs to find valuable content in electronic devices after a thorough evaluation. Now, digital literacy doesn't mean IT proficiency. An individual can find valuable content in electronic devices. It is essential for teachers in the 21st century as education has become dual mode, that is online and offline. We should consider digital literacy as the fourth pillar of the learning system. Apart from reading and writing, becoming digitally literate is important. Thus, it should be resourced and taught accordingly. Moreover, it is essential due to the current social requirements. Number one, it is needed to become a digital citizen responsible enough to use the technology to interact and share proper knowledge with the world. It is giving people a new world in the workplace. Research shows it is now vital to thrive and survive in the internet-dominated world along with papers and hard copies. Now, let's see the importance of digital literacy to develop skills. The essential component of digital literacy is that it develops critical core skills. Very important point to be underlined. That is, what is the main component of this digital literacy? That is, it develops critical core skills. Now let's see the importance of digital literacy in points, different points here. Number one, collaborative works. Collaborative work means working with others as a team which develops strong interpersonal skills. Teamwork in a digital platform is challenging, but assignments intended for a group of students to complete are a good idea to engage students in partnership. Second, critical thinking abilities. Very important, this one, critical positives and negatives, understanding about. Digital literacy increases the ability to think critically, evaluate information and argument, identify patterns and connections between two things, and construct meaningful ideas. Through the knowledge of these critical thinking skills, students and teachers can apply them in their life and outer world. Third one, very important, that is creativity. Creativity gets better when it is applied through digital platforms. People weigh up opportunities and use them for entrepreneurship. They also ask the right questions and generate new ideas faster. Fourth one, very important, to do any profession, to excel with any profession, to go up with any work, communication skills are very important here. Communication gets better in the digital world as many practical tools are used to reach more people, not just around but globally. Different range of audiences increases knowledge and confidence. Now, why digital literacy is important for the teachers here? Young students are taught by the teachers to grow up as responsible citizens of their country. Similarly, a virtual world should also have accountable citizens to maintain a healthy atmosphere. Therefore, the teacher should encourage students to comprehensively understand the digital class. Now, teachers should use proper digital media. That is, before motivating students about digital media, teachers should learn and practice using authentic websites. Students are proficient in using the internet but need to know the appropriate digital knowledge. In addition, teachers should teach them that using social media is not just for personal posts but can use it as an established tool for showcasing their projects and best practices. Now, use of digital learning in subjects. Teachers can use digital media by creating teacher courses in nearly every subject area. Moreover, they can use different platforms to conduct classes based on the subject and create content accordingly. Using and knowing various tools and techniques to conduct education literacy shows the importance of digital literacy in education in this new normal time. Now, enhances scholastic performance. Obviously, digital literacy can improve the students' academic performance. Both students and teachers play a vital role in this segment. Students can create original content such as presentations, videos, and blog posts regarding a subject matter. As a result, many students dig well into the subject, understand the topic well, and retain the information. Teachers can learn and create digital literacy by innovatively sharing students' projects, ideas, and discoveries to gain academic excellence. Now, creates more possibilities for teamwork. Online teaching depends on communication, and teachers promote information literacy by engaging students in collaborative work with their peers. Students understand the lessons and make something new with the help of their co-students. They can construct and edit their presentations or notes through cloud-based software. Now, safe use of the digital world. Teachers should teach their students about academic plagiarism, which is unethical in the digital world. Copying and sharing information without giving credit to the writer or the website is an evil practice. Teachers should always check this point with the students to build their self-study habits and original writing. Now, cyberbullying is a threat in the digital world and is a significant concern among schools and educational institutions. Unfortunately, this irresponsible behavior takes place in electronic media too. Teachers should make a point so that students can prevail themselves from this deviant behavior. Now, what is the importance of technology literacy for teachers? It is essential for teachers to develop new and better skills when dealing with and integrating technology in their lessons. It is also important to make them feel comfortable and included in this digital environment. Now, what is technology literacy for educators? Technology literacy is the ability to use, comprehend, manage and analyze technology safely, effectively and responsibly. This literacy includes using technology to evaluate, create and integrate information. Now, importance of technology in education. Easier teacher-student communication and cooperation. Information has never been so accessible. Online education will help in this. Improved development of student critical thinking and then modern classroom. Now, how to integrate technology in the classroom? PowerPoints and games, internet homework assignments, online grading systems, classroom tablets, then Lister V, keeping students engaged, help students with different learning styles, prepare students with life skills. Life skills are the very, very important topic. Now, computer skills for every teacher to master, word processing skills, spreadsheet skills, database management skills, electronic presentation skills, internet navigation skills, email management skills, networking skills, touch typing. Now, why ICT literacy skill is important for teachers in 21st century education? It promotes inclusion and development of digital literacy skills. It extends learning beyond the textbook, which is necessary, and beyond the classroom walls. It ultimately exposes students and teachers to new online global communities. This in turn promotes a global awareness, which is an essential component to a 21st century education. So, we come to the end of this session. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.